Tired of chasing payments and struggling to turn your track time into actual income? Clockify is a fantastic time tracking tool, but it doesn't magically put money in your bank account. So let's break down how to use Clockify to create invoices and get paid, step by step. First, make sure you're meticulously tracking your time within Clockify, assigning each entry to the correct project and client. This is the foundation of accurate billing. Go to your Clockify reports and filter by client and date range to get a clear overview of billable hours. Pay close attention to the billable rates you've set up for each project or team member, as this directly impacts the invoice amount. Clockify doesn't generate invoices directly, so you'll need to export this data. You can export as CSV or Excel, then take this exported data and import it into your invoicing software like QuickBooks, Xero, or even a simple Google Sheets template. In your invoicing software, create a new invoice, input the client details, and meticulously add line items based on the Clockify data. Include descriptions for each task to clearly outline the work performed. Don't forget to add your payment terms. Once your invoice is finalized, send it to your client through your invoicing platform. Many platforms allow you to track invoice status and send reminders, helping you stay on top of payments. Finally, consistently monitor your invoices and follow up with clients promptly on overdue payments. By diligently tracking your time in Clockify and using that data to create accurate invoices, you'll transform your time tracking into a streamlined payment process.